In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Bitbucket password. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, managing your password is a critical step to ensure the security of your account. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll want to be logged into your Bitbucket account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Profile and Visibility. This section gives you an overview of your current profile settings and how your information appears to others. Next, let's move to the Security section. This is an essential part of maintaining your account's protection. You might see several options here, including enabling two-step verification for extra security measures. But for today's task, we're going to focus on setting your password. Click on the Security option, and you'll be led to a new page displaying your current security settings. Now, look for a section dedicated to password settings. Here, you have the opportunity to either set a password if you haven't done so already, or update an existing one. Click on the option to set or change your password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. This is a standard security step to verify that you're the authorized user. Following this, you'll need to create a new password. It's important to choose a strong password, ideally a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. A good tip is to make your password at least 8 characters long to enhance security. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. After entering your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. This step ensures that you haven't made any typing errors. Double-check that both fields match, as this is crucial for successfully updating your password. Once you've done this, look for a button that says Save Changes or something similar and click it. Upon saving, you should receive a confirmation message that your password has been successfully updated. Congratulations, your Bitbucket account is now more secure. Remember, regularly updating your password is a good practice to protect your data. If you ever feel your account may be compromised, don't hesitate to change your password immediately. That's it for today's tutorial on setting up your Bitbucket password. Keeping your account secure is key, and I hope this guide has made the process straightforward for you. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out through the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.